Human beings have the ability to understand the distance of an object from the eye just by looking at it. This is possible because we have 3D perception, also known as depth perception. When we look at an object, our left and right eye creates two different images of the same object at slightly different angles. This is due to the space between our eyes. Our brain processes and combines these two images produced by the left and right eyes into one complete picture. That's how our real world is 3D. The same principle is used in 3D movies and 3D TV. That is, by showing each eye the same image in two angles, you can trick your brain into thinking the flat image you are viewing has depth. 3D technology can be divided into two main categories, active and passive. Active 3D glasses or shutter glasses use LCD lenses that alternately opens and shuts each lens to show each eye a different image. Shutter glasses are powered by a small battery and are synchronized with TV via an infrared beam similar to a TV remote. The TV screen will show differently angled image for left and right eye, each image followed by a black frame. The left eye lens blacks out when the right eye image appears on television, so that only right eye watches the image angled for the right eye and vice versa. This happens so fast that your mind cannot detect the flickering due to the opening and closing of lens timed exactly with what's on the screen. Next generation 3D TV with passive 3D glasses. Passive 3D glasses are any 3D glasses that don't require a power source to view the 3D content. The two major types of passive glasses are anaglyph and polarized 3D glasses. Anaglyph 3D glasses have one red and one cyan lens, often made out of cardboard with cellophane lenses. These use colors to separate the images. Polarized 3D glasses have vertical and horizontal opaque lines on either lens so that the viewers cannot see through these opaque lines, and thus opaque lines are used to separate the images for the left and the right eyes. Advantages of passive glasses over active ones. The active shutter type 3D, due to frequent opening and closing of lens shutters, makes eyes very uncomfortable and even causes headaches. But in passive 3D type, there is totally no flickering and it enables eyes to comfortably enjoy the 3D images. In active shutter type 3D, one side of the liquid crystal glass is always closed, so its view is darker than passive type 3D. While the glass of passive type 3D will be always open instead of closed, so it will transmit sufficient light to reflect more bright 3D images. The liquid crystal lens need rechargeable batteries, so the expense is high. Most of the 3D TV will include one pair of glasses and additional pair should be purchased separately. This will add to the cost, but in passive mode, they do not require a power source or powered lenses. Hence, passive 3D glasses can be very cheap. Another advantage of passive type 3D is its clear 3D images without overlapping pictures. Overlapping pictures occur because the images on the right enter into the left eye or the images on the left enter into the right eye. A slight difference in synchronization of signals between glasses and TV would cause overlapping picture phenomena. But special film used in passive type 3D separates the right image from the left one and reflects 3D images, so overlapping picture won't happen. In active 3D, the same image is divided into two and distributed to left and right eye, one after the other. Hence, the frame rate is less, whereas in passive 3D, viewer is shown both the image for the left and right eyes at once, so the frame rate is high.